Hey guys, it's Monty with Impeccabilities, showing you guys how to change out the filters in our filtration system underneath our washout booth. So it's got a filter that we have put on, which is just simply an air filter. When changing out our filters, they sit above here, but we're changing out all of these filters down here. So the first thing we're going to do is just drain the water. Pull these guys out. Set it down there. There's 3 of these. And another thing that we're going to want to do is, if you come down in here, this is what we're attacking. It's all of this sludge here. So you want to remove those filters. We're going to rinse those out, but the first thing before we do that is we're going to get all of this sludge out. Stay tuned. Next step, so now that we got our screens out, we're going to remove the sludge that's at the bottom of the filtration system. And what we're going to want to do is have our garbage can right next to us, and we're going to want to scrape this out and pick it up. Make sure it's nice and close, and just dump it in. We're going to do this process until all of the sludge, until we're not getting sludge out anymore. And the truth is, guys, this is worse as it gets for screen printing. On this episode of Dirty Jobs.
Yeah.
I think I said it. Back again with changing our filtration system, getting it all cleaned out. So if you come over here, you can tell that we've gotten all the sludge out, all the water's out. We've cleaned it. What we're going to do is a slight improvement is we're going to add one of these filters here to the bottom. It's a little bit more flush, and it's something that we can just toss. The next time coming around, instead of scraping it, it'll collect at the bottom here. We can just simply take this out, fold it up, and throw away whatever residual is on our filter. And so from here on, we're going to make sure those go back in order and put our pump back in and keep on moving. Thanks for watching.